What if I told you that one simple homemade oil can help you fight dryness, reduce breakage, and even boost your hair growth? Yes, it's possible. And in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how I make my Ayurvedic hair oil from scratch. Don't skip any parts because every step matters for the best results. Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here with me today. Thank you so much for always supporting me and watching my videos. It really means a lot. If this is your first time here, you are very welcome too. Here we love natural hair, simple DIYs, and easy ways to take care of our hair without spending too much. So if you are interested in growing long, thick, and healthy hair, then stick around because today's recipe is very powerful. Before we start preparing, let me show you all the ingredients one by one and explain why I choose them. Knowing what each one does will help you understand how powerful this oil is. Number 1 is clove. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that improve scalp circulation. They help fight dandruff, reduce hair thinning, and give your hair a natural shine. They also have antibacterial properties that keep the scalp healthy. Dry rosemary leaf. Rosemary is one of the best herbs for stimulating hair growth. It improves blood flow to the scalp, strengthens the roots, and helps with thinning hair. Rosemary also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that suit the scalp. Fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is full of protein, iron, and nicotinic acid, which are amazing for strengthening hair strands. It reduces shedding, prevents split ends, and makes the hair grow thicker over time. It's also great for moisturizing the scalp. Cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon improves blood circulation and promotes faster hair growth. It contains natural compounds that stimulate the hair follicles, giving your scalp that extra boost it needs. Black seed. Black seed are sometimes called seed of the blessing. They are packed with nutrients like thymogenol that fight scalp irritation, reduce shedding, and encourage hair to grow stronger and fuller. Moringa leaf powder. Moringa is a superfood not just for the body but also for the hair. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, plus minerals like zinc and iron. All of these nourish the scalp, prevent hair loss, and encourage healthy new growth. You see, each of these ingredients has its own strengths, but when we combine them, they work together like a team to create a powerful oil for growth, thickness, and scalp health. This is why I really love Ayurvedic recipes. Nature has given us everything we need. Next, I need to break down the ingredients. If you have a strong blender at home, you can blend everything easily. But my blender is very small and don't blend strong seeds very well. So instead, I use my mortar and pestle to pound them. This works just fine and helps to release all the nutrients. It takes a little more time and effort, but it's worth it. And if you're like me, you will even enjoy this process. It feels natural, like the traditional way our mothers and grandmothers used to prepare things. So if you don't have fancy equipment, don't worry, use what you have. The important thing is that you are taking steps to care for your hair naturally. Now that everything is ready, I transfer the mixture into a cleanser. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really encourages me to keep sharing more. Then I added my carrier oil, which in the recipe is olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids that deeply moisturize and strengthens hair. But you can also use coconut oil, sunflower oil, or almond oil if you prefer. Kara oil helps to draw out all the goodness from the herbs. This is what makes the Ayurvedic oil so rich and powerful. Now here comes one of the most important parts, infusing. Once I have made everything together, I close the jar tightly and set it aside for about 3 weeks. I know 3 weeks sounds long, but please don't rush this part. The longer it sits, the more nutrients the oil will absorb. Patience is key. Think of it like waiting for good fruit to get ripe. You don't want to eat it before it's ready. The same goes for this oil. Trust me, when you finally use it, you'll be so glad you waited. And just like this oil needs time, your hair also needs time. Don't give up if you don't see overnight results. Be consistent, be patient, and little by little you will see the growth and health you are looking for. After 3 weeks, I strain the oil to remove all the particles. You want the oil to be smooth so it's easy to apply to your scalp and hair. At this stage, I also like to add few drops of essential oil. Personally, I love tea tree essential oil because it makes my scalp feel fresh and helps fight dandruff. But you can use peppermint oil. Lavender oil, or whichever essential oil you like. Finally, I pour my finished oil into applicator bottles. This makes it easier to apply directly to the scalp without wasting any oil. bit more this time because most of them are for sale. The only one in the white applicator bottle is for me, so I can use it on my own hair. Some of the bottles have already been booked, so I'm really excited that people are also looking forward to using this oil. I also want to quickly show you how I apply this oil to my hair. First, I sprayed a little water on my hair to add some moisture. Then I apply the oil on my scalp and my hair. After that, I take my time to massage the oil in with my fingertips. Massaging is very important because it helps improve blood circulation, which encourages hair growth. This step makes such a big difference. Don't skip it. My friends, that's how I made and use my Ayurvedic oil. If your hair is struggling with dryness, breakage, dandruff, or slow growth, please don't give up. Healthy hair takes time, patience, and consistency. Remember, nature has given us everything we need, and with love and care, your hair can truly flourish. I'm so happy to share this recipe with you, and I hope it inspires you to try it out. If you do, please let me know your results in the comments. I do love to hear your journey. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, share it with someone who loves natural hair care, and subscribe for more simple DIYs and hair growth. Together, we will grow and glow. I will see you in my next video.